welcome to Las Vegas. So I finally found one. It's a Sig Sauer P365. They came out in 2018, but they've been really hard to get. But amazingly, there was a store locally that had them in stock. So I picked one up. Now I need to get familiar with it and also make sure that it functions correctly. Because the first one of these in 2018, there were some weird instances where there were some malfunctions with this weapon. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys to the desert where we go shooting. I'm gonna put a few rounds through this and then we'll come back at the end of the video and I'll tell you what my thoughts are on the gun. So come along, let's go. Loading up the truck. Dude, that's like $1 million worth of ammo over there.
750?
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Hurt my head. Mom.
Today I'm shooting the Sig P365. I just got this gun, so I need to get familiar with it.
Shots? I don't think you hit it. No? Nah, I think you hit the dirt and it fell. It didn't crack.
Victoria shooting my new P365.
Something just hit my head.
That's the shell. But it's good to have a hat.
Where? The one was on the orange.
Is that you?
That was me.
Oh. All right. This is a Maxim 9 with a built-in silencer.
There you go.
Try that out.
Take it too long, Gilbert.
I hit. No. I wait for it to. Yeah, I hit two.
Quiet,
See how
huh?
silent it was?
Was it quiet? Shh.
I didn't think I was gonna hit any.
Okay, guys. So did you have fun today?
Yeah.
You guys are the last ones to shoot, and then we're gonna head out. So go for it. All right, have fun. The last 5 were fun, huh?
I shot it again.
You got it? You hit it again? Nice. So, what are my thoughts on the P365 after shooting it? Well, it's very compact, and that's, first of all these guns have been safety checked. There's no magazines in them, and there's nothing in the chamber. So, obviously very compact. and compared to the this is the car PM9, which was, it's one of the smallest 9mm out there, but it's single stack. But as you can see, the two, you know, the thickness is pretty similar, even though this only holds 6 rounds in the magazine, and this one obviously holds 10. So the size is pretty amazing. This is another popular carry gun, which is the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 380. Again, it's clear. But this is a 380, also holds 6 in the magazine. But even with that, you know, it's the P365 is a bit longer, but the thickness is not too much different. So yeah, it's amazing how small they got this P365. And as far as value goes, right out of the box, this comes with night sights with the high-vis green front post. So you don't need to buy night sights, they're metal sights. And the stippling on here is really good right from the get-go, so you don't need to get aftermarket hand grip for it. So that's also good. And after shooting it, it's very reliable. Did not have any malfunctions, failures to feeds, stove pipes, anything like that. So that's also a plus. And the recoil was, for a small gun, very, very good. So no complaints there. So yeah, it's accurate, it's reliable, very little recoil, and the takedown is super simple too. So, you know, you just lock it back, flick the takedown lever, and you just pop it right off. So very easy. And look at that. Now we're back. Okay, for the cons, this has a proprietary front rail, so it's not Picatinny, so there's only a few accessories for it. For instance, I put on the Sig green laser on this. It does fit perfectly. It looks like, you know, this finish matches the polymer frame, so that's good. But I believe there's an accessory rail where you can stick onto this and modify it to Picatinny, so you can use those accessories. So that's good. The other con I have is, you know, they designed this gun around the magazine. So Sig actually designed the magazine first. It has 3 patents on it, and that's the beauty of why you're able to fit 10 rounds of 9mm into such a small magazine. However, what I noticed was very difficult to load the 9th or the 10th round. So you're gonna need to get a nice magazine loader. This one is a maglula UpLULA. I can leave a link in the description to what this is, but honestly, this is the first magazine where I've had trouble loading it manually, so I highly recommend getting one of these. I also noticed that if you have the magazine full with 10 rounds, like this one is, this has 10 rounds in it, this has 9 right now. With 9 rounds, there's no issues getting the magazine into place. It just snaps right in. But what I noticed was when you have a 10th round in there, I think the spring is so tight that basically you can't just easily slap it in. So that's one thing I noticed. Hopefully the spring will loosen up over time, and that would be less of an issue. And that's, yeah, pretty much it. Final thoughts. Great little gun, seems very reliable, easy to shoot. Oh, and also it takes any +P rated ammo. So even though, you know, some of you think maybe 9mm is not sufficient for self-defense, well, you know, it's a lot smaller than a 40. But also you can run in this gun any +P ammo. So I do have in mind the Federal HST 124 grain +P. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with it, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hope this review helps you.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to be brave, work hard, and most importantly, enjoy your journey.